Are you looking for a high-performance front disc brake kit for your VW Super Beetle? Well, Dan's Performance Parts has you covered. This Super Beetle front disc brake conversion kit includes Wilwood 2-piston calipers that are available in red, black, or gray finishes, with premium Wilwood brake pads for maximum stopping power. New rotors that feature a cross-drilled and slotted design, along with zinc plating to resist corrosion. Depending on what brake kit you purchase, you can select between the VW 4 on 130mm bolt pattern rotors, or you can choose the double-drilled rotors with both the Porsche 5 on 130mm and Chevy 5x4 3/4-inch bolt patterns. This brake kit also includes quality hardware components, like new forged caliper mounting brackets, for easy bolt-on installation to your existing Super Beetle spindles. Caliper mounting bolts. Brake lines. SKF wheel bearings, plus new wheel seals and bearing caps, to keep you rolling smoothly down the road for years to come. Please be sure to check out our complete line of brake parts and accessories, as well as our large selection of all parts and accessories tailored to Volkswagen air-cooled enthusiast. Plus, Dan's Performance Parts is a premier supplier of parts and accessories for Manx-style fiberglass dune buggies, sand rails, Baja bugs, street performance and vintage VW classic air-cooled vehicles. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, so that you don't miss out on any of our videos or new video releases. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.